Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you're viewing the How To Lady, a channel that offers information regarding organization, DIYs, and life hacks. And today we're going to do makeup storage number 2. Hopefully you viewed our video on how to store your makeup. That's video number 1. Check it out after you look at this one. It might be something that you may be interested in, but we're going to give you another hack that you can use to store your makeup. So if you see anything you like, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment, because your comments are important to us and it helps us to provide content that you like. So without further ado, we're going to get this ball rolling and we are going to knock it out of the park. Yes, storing makeup can be a challenge. However, today we have a great hack for you. This is your regular pencil pouch in a variety of colors. We have here a label for each pouch that indicates what that pouch holds. It can be a variety of your makeup tools: eyeshadows, blush, foundations, you name it, these pouches can hold it. As stated, they come in a variety of colors. The colors can be used to identify what's in the pouch. Here, this pouch is holding various eyebrow pencils, eyeliners, and all those makeup items that you use on your eyes. It is conveniently seen through the clear window on the makeup pouch, making it easy for you to determine what you need to use and how you're going to use it. The pouch has a zipper that holds your makeup securely, so if you need to travel, you can slip it in your suitcase without a problem. When not traveling, your pouch can sit in this convenient basket. You can also store your makeup brushes in any of these pouches. It doesn't matter the size. It is perfect for holding any makeup applicators. Your vanity is holding various items, so using these pouches prevents overcrowding, providing you the space that you need to store other items. This vanity has a convenient drawer that has a plexiglass cover that is protecting the items within the drawer. And to prevent overcrowding on top of your vanity, you can easily take the pouch from its basket, carefully place it on top of the plexiglass, complete your makeup regimen, and not disturb anything in the drawer. See the convenience of the pouch? After you've completed everything, take a towel and gently wipe away any spills. This makeup pouch hack is perfect for the person that is on the go. You have your makeup convenient and ready to apply the perfect look. And note, the holes on the left side of the pouch would be perfect to fit inside of your regular notebook. Imagine that, a notebook makeup pouch hack. How convenient.